Hi, I'm John from the Scorpio team. We're making a quick video today on how to make an adjustment to the oven door so it's a little bit easier to open. We've gotten some feedback from a few customers on that point. So I'll show you how to do so with my oven right here. What I'm going to do is just open the door, and what you can see on the bottom of the door here are two steel tabs. And what we're going to do is actually bend these tabs up slightly to make it a little bit easier to open the door. Recommend you get a pair of gloves on. The tabs shouldn't be sharp. However, the gloves will protect your hands. Basically, taking your thumbs, what you'll do is just push the tab up so it bends slightly. Do the same with the left tab that you do with the right, and then close the door to see if that makes it a bit easier to open. You want to make sure that you do still keep a good seal on the door. That's important to maximizing the draft on the wood burner. But you can make this adjustment a couple times and just to make sure that the door opens comfortably for you. So if you have any questions, please let us know. You can reach us at support@scorpiopizzaoven.com.